Hi, my name's John Powers and welcome to 1408 Thornton Road. This beautifully landscaped property is on 1.7 acres on Lake Smith. Inside we have 3 beds, 2.5 baths, and it's been fully updated. Also, we have one more surprise that I want to show you in a minute, but first let's go take a look. So I mentioned there was a surprise, and it's not that there's an outdoor shower, it's not that we're on Lake Smith, but it is that you have your own guest house with kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom, offering you tons of versatility. Let's go look.